Hello everybody, welcome back. So on Thursdays and Wednesdays and Thursdays on my channel, we make desserts, and so today I'm going to show you how to make bubblegum ice cream. So this recipe is actually inspired by one of the ingredients we're going to be using today. So let's get started and make the ice cream. So excited, oh my gosh. Okay, so first we have 2 cups of whipping cream, and we're going to whip that with an electric mixer. Pour that into the bowl. So the cream is nicely whipped, so we're just going to set that aside. And we're going to grab a larger bowl, and we're going to add 1 can of condensed milk. So we're just going to pour that in. Alright, and then I have half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I add a couple drops of a bubblegum extract. And I'll have a link to this in the description box below. And we also need some pink food coloring. So you can dye it as bright pink or as pale pink as you like. I'm going to add a couple drops, more than a couple drops, because I love this color, food coloring. This food coloring is by Wilton, by the way. It's the Wilton Color Right. I talk about this all the time, but I figure it's important to know because you never... I've gotten a lot of questions about it. So I'll link it in the description box below if you want to pick it up. It's my absolute favorite, not sponsored, just in love with it. So now we're going to mix everything together. And look at that color, it's so pretty. So now I'm gonna reach around and grab a spoon behind me. I kind of love that I can do that. And we're gonna take 1 scoop of whipped cream, or like maybe just 2 scoops, and add it to the condensed milk, and we're gonna mix it in. And so what this does is it will lighten the condensed milk mixture, so that when we're adding the rest of the whipped cream, it's able to be incorporated but still keep the mixture light and fluffy. And we're going to pour in the remaining cream. And you just want to use like a scooping and folding motion, because you don't want to, well, you want to keep it airy, basically. Alright, there we go. And so now is my favorite ingredient, and the whole reason why I decided to make this recipe. These are Wilton sprinkles, but they're pink bubblegum bits, and it's real bubblegum. And I'm like, that's what they always used in like the bubblegum ice cream that I got. It was like Baskin Robbins, I think, when I was younger, that I always went to. And now that I found them online, like that's why I was like, you can actually make bubblegum ice cream now. So I'll have this linked in the description box down below if you want to pick it up. I bought 3. I'm using 2 in this recipe because honestly I want the 3rd one to be used as like decoration for the thumbnail, you know. But I think they're so cool. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 of the containers directly into the ice cream. Okay, we are going to pour it into any kind of like Tupperware, any kind of container that you have. I bought these off Amazon. If I can find them, I'll link them below. They're just like, they're actually ice cream containers. It's so cute. So now we're going to pour it in, and we are going to carefully seal it. Like if I push both sides at the same time, it can't overflow. So we're gonna pop this into the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours, or just overnight, and I'll see you guys later when we scoop our bubblegum ice cream. Okay, so it was the next day, and I just came back from Patty's birthday party, so excuse the exhausted look on my face. But anyways, yeah, let's scoop the ice cream. It'll look so pretty and pink. Oh my gosh. Alright, there we go. And we are done! So, okay, I'm gonna taste it first. Oh, it tastes so good. It tastes like my childhood. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments down below what other ice cream flavor you'd like me to do next. I have Tiger Tail planned for a couple weeks from now, so really excited about making that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and ring that little bell next to it so that you get notified when each video goes live. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.